Welcome to Wow Decor Tube, and thank you for joining us today. If you love creativity that makes everyday life a little brighter, you're in the right place. In this video, we're stepping beyond the ordinary and into a playful, heartwarming world where kitchens become spaces of joy, laughter, and personality. Beyond Bowls is all about humorous wood carvings that turn simple kitchen items into smile-inducing art. Designed especially with a United States audience in mind, this creative journey celebrates individuality, handmade charm, sustainability, and the belief that even the most practical household objects can spark happiness and connection. The kitchen has always been more than just a place to cook in American homes. It's where mornings begin with coffee, where families gather after long days, where conversations happen over snacks and meals. Yet, despite its emotional importance, many kitchens are filled with items chosen purely for function, not feeling. That's where humorous wooden kitchen art changes everything. When you reach for a spoon and rest it on a sleepy wooden bear, or grab a banana from a monkey-shaped holder that looks like it's guarding its treasure, the experience shifts. You smile without thinking, and that small moment of joy becomes part of your routine. These are the kinds of moments that make a house feel like home. What makes these creations especially inspiring is their origin. Wood scraps, often tossed aside or forgotten in workshops, become the foundation for imaginative, functional art. In the United States, where DIY culture and upcycling are deeply appreciated, transforming leftover materials into something valuable resonates strongly. Each scrap of wood carries its own shape, grain, and character, quietly suggesting what it might become. Instead of forcing the wood into traditional forms, this creative approach listens to the material. A curved piece might naturally become the back of a resting animal, while a narrow strip could suggest a tail, arm, or branch. This organic process makes carving feel approachable, even for beginners. Humor plays a central role in these designs. Americans appreciate decor that reflects personality and doesn't take itself too seriously. A mischievous monkey banana holder feels playful and lighthearted, adding character to the kitchen without being overwhelming. A sleepy bear spoon rest feels comforting and familiar, almost like a small companion keeping watch over the countertop. These characters are not just decorative, they are functional and interactive, becoming part of daily habits. This blend of usefulness and humor is what makes them so appealing to a wide audience. The carving process itself is where creativity truly comes alive. With simple tools and a relaxed mindset, basic shapes are slowly refined into expressive forms. The goal is not perfection, but personality. Slight asymmetry, gentle exaggeration, and visible tool marks add to the handmade charm. Sanding smooths rough edges while preserving the natural grain, and finishing brings out warmth and depth in the wood. Watching this transformation is deeply satisfying, both for the maker and the viewer, because it shows how imagination and patience can elevate even the smallest piece of scrap wood. For viewers across the United States, this kind of craftsmanship feels relatable and inspiring. It reflects a hands-on, can-do spirit that values creativity over complexity. You don't need a large studio or expensive equipment to begin. What you need is curiosity, a sense of humor, and a willingness to experiment. This accessibility is key, especially for people who dream of creating something meaningful but feel intimidated by traditional art or woodworking. Humorous kitchen carvings invite people in rather than pushing them away. Beyond creativity, these wooden kitchen pieces hold strong potential as sellable art. In American markets, especially online and at craft fairs, buyers are drawn to items that feel unique, handmade, and giftable. A funny yet functional kitchen item checks all those boxes. It's the kind of product people buy not just for themselves, but for housewarmings, birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. Because these pieces are made from wood scraps, production costs remain low, while perceived value remains high. Buyers appreciate knowing that their purchase supports sustainable practices and small-scale craftsmanship. the emotional connection created by humor is especially powerful. When people laugh or smile at an object, they remember it. A wooden monkey holding bananas is not easily forgotten, and a bare spoon rest often becomes a favorite detail in the kitchen. Guests notice, ask questions, and share compliments, turning the object into a conversation starter. This kind of organic engagement is invaluable for creators, as it builds brand recognition and word-of-mouth support without needing aggressive marketing. For nature lovers, these carvings offer a way to bring warmth and organic beauty into the kitchen. Wood naturally softens modern interiors, balancing stainless steel appliances and clean countertops with texture and warmth. For art lovers, the sculptural quality and expressive design provide visual interest and emotional depth. By combining nature, humor, and function, these pieces sit perfectly at the intersection of accessible craftsmanship and market appeal. The kitchen setting enhances the impact of these creations even further. Positioned near fruit bowls, sinks, or stovetops, they feel integrated into daily life rather than staged or distant. This integration is important, especially for American audiences who value practicality. Art that fits naturally into everyday routines feels more valuable than art that must be carefully preserved or displayed. These carvings are meant to be used, touched, and enjoyed, not just admired from afar. For aspiring creators and small business owners, this approach offers a sustainable and joyful path. Making people smile through art creates a sense of purpose beyond profit. Each piece carries the maker's humor, care, and creativity into someone else's home. Over time, this builds a loyal audience that appreciates not just the product, but the spirit behind it. In a crowded market, authenticity and personality are what truly stand out. As viewers watch this journey on Wow Decor Tube, inspiration grows naturally. The idea that discarded wood can become charming, sellable art encourages people to see potential where they once saw waste. It shifts perspective, turning everyday materials and objects into sources of creativity. This mindset is empowering, especially in a culture that increasingly values sustainability, individuality, and handmade quality. If you're enjoying today's content and finding yourself smiling along with these playful wooden kitchen creations, your support truly means a lot to us here at Wow Decor Tube. Please take a moment to like this video, share it with your family and friends, and leave a comment below. Your engagement helps our channel grow and allows more people across the United States and beyond to discover creative ideas that bring joy into everyday spaces. Going beyond bowls opens up a world of imagination, humor, and opportunity. Humorous wood carvings for kitchens prove that even the most mundane items can become delightful, meaningful art when shaped with creativity and care. By transforming wood scraps into functional, smile-inducing decor, this concept shows how accessible craftsmanship can meet real market appeal in a joyful and sustainable way. Thank you for spending this creative time with Wow Decor Tube. And remember that sometimes the smallest, funniest ideas are the ones that leave the biggest impression, one smile at a time.